we're about to introduce you to potential new professional contacts that you can make, the nominees and winners of the 8th Annual LTEN Excellence Awards. This year's award program is sponsored by CMR Institute, Educational Resource Systems, and Metrics. So again, you guys, we can't do anything without our vendor partners, so can we please give them a round of applause? For the next 30 minutes, we're going to celebrate the impressive work from the LTEN members. I'm excited to help introduce you to these incredible teams, learning leaders, content creators, and partners. Before we get started, let me say 2 quick things. First, congratulations to all the nominees. Each of you is inspiring beyond belief. And second, we want to recognize all of you. So I'm going to say it once now, I'm going to say it a couple more times. Whether you're a nominee or a finalist or a winner, please stay in the room after the session because we want to take a big group photo so that we can recognize you all. Okay, let's get started. Our judges, I know it's said every year, but our judges really did have a tough time this year. Each nominee is worthy of being on stage with us today. So please, before we get started, let's say a thank you to all of our judges. Perfect. Okay, first we'd like to announce 2 special groups of honorees tonight. These are the winners of our annual scholarship programs. First, our annual Field Trainer Scholarship provides access to programs that are important for colleagues that don't often get to come out of the field. It's our field trainers. Let's take a look.
In the category of Field Trainer Scholarship, the winners are Heather Anderson, Building a Job Aid for Future Leadership Development. Tony Galkey, a proven track record of leadership, innovation, and success.
Unfortunately, Heather and Tony couldn't be with us here today, but we know that they're watching virtually, so congratulations on your scholarship again. And now for a special honor, one that's really close to my heart. One of my LTEN Board of Director colleagues, Chuck Pearson, passed away last year. In honor of our friend, we created the Chuck Pearson Learning Scholarship. This is an annual gift that allows noteworthy colleagues to continue their professional development through the LTEN programs. Chuck's wife, Janice, is here with us today to celebrate. And we're going to take a look at the video, and then we're going to invite Janice up on stage.
In the category of Chuck Pearson Learning Scholarship, the winners are Vishal Shah, has the potential to be a Chief Learning Officer. Todd Rogers leverages considerable creative skills to elevate L&D.
Unfortunately, Todd could not attend with us today, but we do know he's virtual, so congratulations. But Vishal is here, so Vishal, I'm going to welcome you up on stage. Congratulations. Okay, so here's this. And we're gonna look over there that way. Thank you. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Go back that way. Thank you, Janice, as well, for being here. It's a really important thing for us to do to honor Chuck. Let's give Janice a round of applause. Okay, so let's move on to our next award. It's the Non-Commercial Training Efficiency Award. This honors training professionals in the non-commercial side of life sciences, more specifically those who've led initiatives in functions like quality, R&D, and medical. So let's take a look at the nominees.
In the category of Practitioner Non-Commercial Training Efficiency, the finalists are Emis and Casimir, developed a novel outcome measure for clinical research. Genentech, transform training to connect to all different teams. Merck, created a playbook to improve time to productivity.
Wonderful. And the winner is Mindy Leffler and Christine McSherry from Emerson Casimir. So I'd love for you to come up. Sorry, I do just remember now, they cannot attend, but Ian Kelly is going to come and accept the award on their behalf. Here's Ian. Here. Here he is. Tracia. Congratulations.
Great job up there.
All right, photo. Thank you. All right, next up is a learning content and provider category. This category recognizes provider partners who've created superior learning content. Let's see who our finalists are.
In the category of provider learning content, the finalists are Ashfield Excellence Academy, put together a coaching approach rolled out globally. Atenzi, created gamified training for hybrid customer interactions. Axiom, built regional training meeting to enhance selling skills. And Compass, helped marketers gain expertise through learning journeys. Illuminate, developed a comprehensive, multifaceted launch curriculum. Open Health Learning and Development, created e-learning modules for drugs pending FDA approval.
All right, and the Learning Content Awards goes to Illuminate. I also wanted to take a moment to also recognize Sean and Illuminate. They were the sponsors of our keynote yesterday, and I don't know that we had a chance to say thank you. So again, another thank you, Sean, for sponsoring Cindy. So we have two categories to celebrate innovation, both among our primary market companies as well as our partner provider community. These categories recognize creative, innovative, and engaging solutions. Let's meet the finalists, starting with the Provider Innovation Award.
In the category of provider innovation, the finalists are Actando, enriched learners to handle competitive challenges. Atenzi, sharpen product knowledge through gamified training. CMR Institute, innovated ways to customize off-the-shelf content. ERS, created an engaging, immersive environment for learning. Illuminate, centralized solutions to address field performance gaps. Proficient Learning, optimized link between coaching and performance. Tier 1, Reinvented patient training involving the entire care team.
So the 2022 Provider Innovation Award goes to, we have a tie. We have a tie. I told you guys it was tough for the judges this year, so we have a tie. So the winners are Atenzi and CMR Institute. Yay! Okay, so now let's take a look at the finalists for our second award, the Practitioner Innovation Award. Let's roll the video.
In the category of Practitioner Innovation, the finalists are Amgen, Improved Learning Efficiency, Agility, and Alignment. Bayer, created a model for effective microlearning. Merck, leveraged a customized blueprint for career growth. Philips, elevated and evolved sales representative communications. Regeneron, redesigned sales training to an agile methodology. Roche, created solutions to personalize learning.
Wonderful. And this year's Practitioner Innovation Award goes to Melissa Loa Phillips. Okay, next up we have the Industry Partnership Award. This award honors the collaborative spirit of training where organizations really come together. Let's take a look at the finalists.
In the category of Industry Partnership, the finalists are Barco and Nipro, enabled remote learning and interactivity for medical training. Encompass Communications and Learning, and Teva Pharmaceuticals. Champion teams to help advance women in healthcare. IC Axon and GlaxoSmithKline. Developed campaign to support global oncology. ETU and Merck. Partnered on agile projects to drive behavior change. Red Nucleus and Adaptive Biotechnologies collaborated seamlessly on a new hire training program.
All right, we've got another tie. So the Industry Partnership Award goes to Barco and Nipro, as well as Encompass and Teva. Please come up to the stage. I don't know anyone. Congratulations. So now the Training for Change category. This is where we recognize training contributions in times of change, such as transformations, mergers and acquisitions, restructuring, and reengineering. So the finalists are in this video.
In the category of Practitioner Training for Change, the finalists are AbbVie Corporation. New competency model united legacy L&D teams during merger. Biogen created a global training process with local flexibility. BioMarin Pharmaceutical empowered everyone to build global strategic plans. Bristol Myers Squibb created training to support today's hybrid sales model. MERS Therapeutics built collaboration and diversity with key account training. Philips standardized sales messaging and strategy across teams. Teva Pharmaceuticals. Improve new hire training with minimal time out of field.
That's great. Congratulations to all the nominees. I must admit I was a little bit nervous about this one because Biogen was up for the award, and earlier today I did see this, so our team at Biogen was able to get the award. So very excited for that. Vishal, since I don't want to take a picture by myself, could you come up and take a photo with me? Thank you. That was truly a surprise, and I didn't know how I was going to handle it, and it didn't go well, so we'll just move on. So the next two awards celebrate the most important part of our training, and that's our people. So first, the All-Star Team Award recognizes a department or team or work group that goes above and beyond in contributions. Let's take a look at the finalists.
In the category of Practitioner All-Star Teams, the finalists are Astellas Pharma US, built a flexible catalog of learning workshops. Edwards Life Sciences, exceeded expectations with global cardiac surgery course. Genentech, fostered a culture of diversity and belonging. Horizon Therapeutics, centralized to deliver exceptional training programs. Smith & Nephew Tech Video Animation Team, innovated a digital approach to training. Teva Pharmaceuticals, revitalized the annual National Field Meeting.
Again, great job, everybody. And the All-Star Team Award goes to Teva Pharmaceuticals. Come on up. Next, we get to honor the next generation of learning leaders. These emerging leaders have made a mark on training in such a really short amount of time. Let's take a look at our finalists.
In the category of Practitioner Emerging Leaders, the finalists are Deshay Higgins, delivers an impact that extends beyond training. Barbara Patullo, strives for excellence by empowering her team. Jamie Lynn Zona, approaches tasks with an inquisitive eye.
Another great group of finalists, and the award goes to Barbara Patullo of Genentech. So I know so many of you might know that's actually Carol Wells. Barbara couldn't be with us today, so Carol accepted on her behalf. All right, we saved one more honor to wrap things up, our prestigious Member of the Year award. Before we introduce you to this year's special honorees, let's take a quick look at our past honorees. Wow, that's an impressive group of professionals that I am truly honored to be a part of and a part of their community, and I'm very excited to add to those ranks. This year, we're recognizing 2 members on the practitioner side and 2 on the industry partner side. These LTEN members consistently go above and beyond to support our network, support our community, and provide value to all of us here. Each year, we hold open nominations, and the nominees are reviewed by the LTEN Board of Directors, and based on their contributions both to the life sciences training industry and to the LTEN, they're selected. It's an honor to recognize this year's award-worthy members. So we're going to start first on the supplier side. Our members of the year are strong supporters of LTEN events and of programs who give their time and resources to really build a stronger community. They serve on LTEN boards and committees. They share their knowledge freely. And I'm excited to share the LTEN Provider Members of the Year are Brad Ainsley of Richardson Sales Performance Healthcare and Steve Woodruff of Impactivity. I invite the winners to the stage. Again, we can't do what we do without our amazing partners, so thank you all so much for what you do, and congratulations. And now on to the Practitioner Members of the Year. Our 2022 honorees have again been active in our LTEN community, written articles, delivered webinars, and really helped our LTEN in so many ways. They're a trusted resource for us, and they're trusted for our staff and our friends. The 2002 Practitioner Members of the Year are Monica Gillison of SK Life Science and Mike Tomlinson of ESI. This is so much fun to watch all their faces. Everyone, please join me in honoring all of today's winners, finalists, and nominees. So this says on the prompter, use LinkedIn or whatever tools you need to reach out to them and congratulate them. Yes, and go get to know them. Go meet them in the Learning Lounge. See them tonight at dinner. Really get to know these folks and add them to your professional network, but more importantly, to your community. This brings us to the end of our LTEN Excellence Awards ceremony. Remember, I told you I was going to tell you again, if you are a finalist or a nominee, please stay here when we're all done with our amazing keynote so we could take a group photo. One last time, a round of applause. Congratulations to everyone again.